know I've been saying I'm gonna do a YouTube channel, que el otro, y que mañana, güey, you know, I'm busy, puro pedo, güey, I ain't doing shit. But I hesitated on the vlogs porque es chingo de jale, güey. Like, you gotta do a lot of shit, like, chingo de editing, chingo de filming, badass shots, badass equipment, y la pinche mano hace el selfie stick ahorita, so imagínate. Y luego el phone, sin case, peor, güey, so si se cae, pues a pinche madre, pinche ataque que me va a dar a la verga, pero I decided to do it, man, because I'm building my 77 GMC. I see a lot of truck channels. Ya les va. So we're gonna build this truck. Le quitamos todo. I got this truck running and everything. I'll explain that to you guys a little bit later, but I'm not new to YouTube. I've been doing YouTube a long time. It all started with me with my cousin, Frank Meta Lopez. We did Toy Story a long time ago in Spanish and English. Me and Chingo Bling. I was Buzz, he was Woody. So déjame arreglar tu pinche slab, or Soy Boss, you know, some of the biggest things. And I went viral many times after that, man. So I'm excited to get back on YouTube. This is a vlog for members only, my shop. Y hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Y adiós, cabrones. That's gonna go here. It's gonna say members only across here. But before we put that piece on, we have to put this piece on the truck, which this is the frame of the truck for the dash. And we're gonna throw that in here. We need to do this first before we do that. That way we have room to work, and then make sure that we get it right. We cut the old dash out, and we're putting a 2019 dash in here with the Tahoe dash. That's why all electronics. But before we do that, we have to brace that metal down, and we'll be good to go. Yeah, so we'll cut a plate the whole length from here to the top, and we'll weld that here. That way we can bolt this on, and I guess we'll just weld the plate like right here. Weld it on both sides, that way to hold that, and that'll be the metal bracket, which will hold this whole frame, which will hold the dash. And before we actually decide where it's gonna go, the plastic piece needs to go on here, because these holes up here have to line up with this metal piece. Okay. You know what I'm saying? There's still another plastic face that goes over this before the actual full face. Yeah. So that plastic face goes up here. Okay. And that'll hold the dash up at the right angle that it needs to be. So yeah.
Homie on this shit.
dash in a 1977 truck. The world first, world first. There it is. Look at that. So it's looking good. It's looking real good, actually. There it is. Boy, Brian's truck back there. Cup holders. Might have to do a floating center console. I don't know. I don't know. Floating center console does sound good.
Vader. Beast Inside Beats, the producer.
Hey man, it's 1:30 in the morning, and the firewall is done on the 77. 1:30 in the morning, boy. Hey man, Modelitos. It's 1:30 in the morning. Look at this, bro. Seriously, seriously. Laying dives is laying dives.
Lame.
Look at that. Custom made firewall, ready to lay 28. We gotta open this up. Bondage. That's what it takes. Hours, precision. But that's right in the middle, literally right in the middle. It's straight. Even Becky with the fucked up eye, I'll tell you that's straight. Look at that. Past the body line. Yeah, we went past the body line so we can clear 28s. Laid out and bodied. We finished 2 things today. Bro, look at that firewall. Woo. The true definition of custom. Like that. So we did 2 things today. We accomplished 2 things, which we made the brackets for the, which is here. The brackets for the dash, the metal frame. Once you get the metal frame lined up, everything else lines up. So the metal frame's lined up. And because first you have to mock up the plastic piece. We already did that. And then you have to come back and figure out where the metal frame goes. And we got that figured out. That's already in there. Brackets on both sides. Oh, and the door closes perfect. Just to let you boys know. Even though we cut this and that, we cut this and that. What's the bean chilling out? I think we're in business, boys. It's leveled, it's centered. Look. You see? You see? Yeah, it's leveled, boys. Yeah, it's pretty level. We actually have to finish this truck in 3 months because actually we got to finish this truck, we got to finish Josh's truck, and we got to finish Brian's truck, which is right over here. Brian's bed is gonna be similar to our bed. It's gonna be all slick in here, smooth. That's the word I was looking for. We're gonna redo his notch. We're gonna put a members only notch in there. Smoothed out the bed, and then not only that. Actually, I need to get the light, but Brian has that 2015 dash in there that we put in there. Where's that light at? That green light? It's hanging right off the toolbox. Look at that. Brian has that. Look at that. This is it, boys. Custom bed. Like I said, we're gonna do all this all over again. Gonna have a members only C notch, the biggest C notch. Redo his bags, redo his tubs, smooth the wall. Look at that dash though. So Maddie was here. Maddie Builds was here. He's seen the work that I did on Brian's truck. He loved it. And then he was kind of thrilled whenever he seen the 2019 dash inside the 77, which we had already mocked up, but it was in there. It was semi in there, whatnot. But man, he loved it. Shout out to Maddie Builds and the homie Taco that came with him. This is our build, boys. We'll be at LST. This is my 77. Josh's Ranger will be there.
Yes, sir.
Send how much Ranger, Josh?
You got a single cab Ford Ranger 05 laid out. We're gonna do a full custom suspension, C notches, members only, absolutely
full frame.
Full frame, yeah,
Full
back
frame.
half frame. We're gonna do an interior swap, the custom dash. We're gonna do the was it a Ford?
Yeah, it's a F350, a Super Duty. We're gonna put a Super Duty dash inside of a Ranger. Josh has an idea of doing a baby Ranger dually. So, I mean, if that's what Josh wants, that's what he's gonna get, man. So, we plan on going all out, and the thing is, we have to get 3 trucks, 1, 2, 3, in 3 months. Is it possible?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, absolutely, boys.
Members only.
It's members only. It's not Disneyland, but we make dreams come true. But yeah, so some of the body work was already done. Like I said, man, we got ahead of you guys a little bit. But we figured, fuck it, let's just do it now while we still can. And especially since my truck is tore down, it was tore down completely. And Josh's truck is completely in pieces. Looks like a Lego set right now. Members only Can-Am boys. And Brian's truck is also tore down completely. So we're gonna start over. Everybody. So 3 trucks in 3 months. If we can't finish 3 trucks in 3 months, we're gonna take them straight to the scrapyard and we're gonna crush them, all of them, at the same time. Like I said, it's late. It's 1:30 in the morning, but we're trying to get shit done. And we'll see you guys tomorrow, man.